Hi guys! In offshore and subsea operation, a moon pool is centrally located. HAL integrated shop that allows for the deployment and recovery of subsea tools and equipment through the vessel or platform itself. This design enables safe operations while minimizing exposure to open sea conditions, making it particularly valuable for deep sea drilling, marine research, and subsea construction. This moon pool is an opening or chamber in the bottom or hull of marine vessel or offshore platform that allows direct access to the sea from within the structure. What is the purpose of moon pool? Moon pool are used to 1. Launch and recover subsea equipment, ROVs, diving bells, scientific instruments. 2. Support drilling operation, riser deployment from drill ships. Provide a shelter environment for operation in harsh sea conditions. How it works? It's essentially a vertical shaft or hole through the platform or ship. 2. Equipment is lowered through the moon pool into the water, keeping the crew and gear protected from weather and waves, often located in center or belly of the vessel for stability and safety. Common uses: industry, oil and gas, use of moon pool, drilling riser, deployment, well intervention. Marine research, lowering sonar arrays, sampling tools. Subsea construction, deploy ROVs, diving bells. Military Navy, launching submersible or underwater drones. Design features: may have watertight doors or seal to control flooding. Some moon pools are pressurized to allow dry access in special cases, often equipped with heave compensation system to stabilize suspended loads. Why is it useful? Allows safe deployment of equipment even in rough seas, improve precision and reduces weather downtime, provide central access for operation, enhancing ship balance and safety. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow.